Okay guys, so right here I have spearmint. I just picked it from my own garden. I do not rinse any of my herbs, okay? Some herbalists do rinse them. I do not. I don't like adding moisture to them or helping them release some of their volatile oils that need to stay intact. So what I do is I let them sit out on the counter for, about an hour or so, let the bugs go away on their own, if there are any bugs. Yeah, so anyway, I never rinse any of my herbs. Now, if you're going to pick herbs from your yard, make sure that you do not have a pet that urinates or poos in the yard, because you don't want to pick those, okay? You want to pick in areas that animals aren't using the restroom. And yes, I'm putting the stems and the leaves. They're both medicinal, okay? It is a real refreshing drink, just spearmint water, plain spearmint water. It's really good for people with acid reflux. But all these issues that I'm naming, if a person works on their gut health, you will begin to notice some of these things. Not all of them. Some of these things fade away with time if you heal your gut properly and start eating properly and healthy. But anyway, it helps with acid reflux. It helps stomach aches, body odor, people that have body odor due to hormonal issues. Drink a lot of spearmint water. Drink it daily, okay? It helps with colic. You can make some tea with colic and use a dropper for babies. You can add it to their milk or just right directly in their mouth. It is really healthy for that. Now, there are other herbs that are great for colic, but this is just one of them. If you're feeling fatigued and you want to boost, drink you some spearmint water. What else? I said it's refreshing. It helps minor headaches. Let's see. It helps with hiccups. If you have hiccups that are irritating you and they just don't seem to want to go away, spearmint, peppermint, any of the mint family is good for hiccups, guys. You could even suck on a peppermint for hiccups. It's good for kidney stones, but you have to drink this on a daily basis. It's not going to just make a kidney stone disappear with a couple of glasses of water. It's good for nausea, along with ginger added to it. So yeah, I'm going to add it to my little 4x6 bag. And actually, what you want to do is you want to squeeze some of the, oh my goodness, and when I squeeze from this far away, it smells so delicious. You want to squeeze a little bit of your leaves so that you can help release the volatile oils, okay? So give them a good little squeeze before putting them in the bag. And you don't need this much mint. I just like a lot of spearmint. This is spearmint, guys. I do have peppermint as well, but I prefer the spearmint water because it's so refreshing and it helps with giving me energy throughout the day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop it in my little pitcher. And it's basically like you're preparing a decoction, okay? You're going to add your water. And my water's spilling everywhere. And I'm just going to let it sit until it cools off completely. And then I'm going to take out the bag. And it'll be ready. Yeah. And guys, spearmint, mint, peppermint, all the mints are really, really easy to grow. and they are plentiful. They grow like crazy, okay? So grow you some. Mine are in a container, a rectangular shaped container, and I am telling you, every year I prune them and they just keep coming back year after year after year. This is spearmint. Get you some.